Williams Lucky Ace, number 3. As you know, we just got done doing that head. That's Lucky Ace number 2. That was the 2024 MGC show game. And this is the head right here. That goes here. Anyways, I did find all these. And there are some that are loose. So let me take this. That should be saying lucky number 3. I originally called it 2 because this is the first one. But I changed it to 3 because this is the third one I did. Anyways, yeah. She's a dirty girl. That should be white. As you can see, I've been messing with it a little bit. I do have some loose inserts. This apron looks really nice. The Playfield's dirty, but it will clean up nice. Ooh. Yeah. I just love this like neon orange. But I want to see something. Will that glow? Oh yeah, she does. I did not know that. Black light. And this is hot. I did not know that. That makes me like this game a whole lot more. Look at all the art. I would twist this more, but I have it perfectly aimed on my last action hero because we do know that glows really sick with black light. As you can see, the game is off. It just glows that good. But yeah, this is going great. All the art is glowing. So yeah, when the customer sees this, he's going to be very impressed. That is sick. That is sick. I love that. All right, let's turn the black light off. That is sick. All right, new flippers. Fix the inserts. There's a good chip there. Maybe I'll fill it in with a little polyurethane. That will get some urethane in it. We do seem to have a ball trail here. It's not holding though. Ah, there it is. It's holding there. As you can see, the Playfield is pitched. Definitely holding there. But yeah, so we do get a little bit of holding right there. Yeah, Playfield don't look too bad. It's in very, very great shape. Let's let you stare at that for a little bit. While I lift it up and get to the inside. As you can see, she is a dirty, dirty, dirty girl. She's very dirty. I just got a message from the owner of this game. The head lock was drilled out on there, but he did have the door key. And guess what I found? A lot of people don't know that. I don't know how These seem okay. We'll go through that. Everything looks halfway decent. This lock relay doesn't even look that bad. Usually they're burnt to crap. It says it's got 39,000 plays on it. I don't trust those. However, all the flippers are shot. Let's see if I can get. It's hard for me to do that one-handed, but trust me, these are very wore. Yeah, I can't do it with one-handed. I don't even have nothing to hold this, but we will hold that. That's a lot of slop. Let's see if we can do this one. We'll hold the plunger so it can't move. Slop, yeah. And then let's do this one, this inner one. Oh, that one's real bad. That's what we did before, wasn't it? Anyways, we'll need flipper rebuild. Can't tell about the pop-uppers. Something's broke there. Something is broke there. Oh yeah, look at that. We're missing the spoon. Or it is on the spoon. We do have a spoon. Okay, just something is... I believe we have a burnt out coil possibly. I can't get it down. There we go. See that one? We do got one nuked coil on that. That looks good too. Wow, that back works really good. All right, we do have one pop bumper coil that is dead. What about this one? Yeah. I might have some of those used. They're G23 750 DCs. I may have some of those used. Used there. Put it this way, this game's from 74, so this game is 50 years old. Yeah, my math is good today. And these coils are all original. Every single one of them is original in here. Coils work or don't work. There's never halfway decent. Let's not say there's not halfway decent. There's not a weak coil. Yeah. Well, let's just say they work or don't work. Sometimes they can be intermittent where they got a broke winding, but even if they did, they're just garbage. But I won't know about these. As you can see, they got some good dust buildup on them. I won't know about these until I take them apart. All the other coils, you don't feel crunchy. But that one, that is weird because that one's orange, and that one's like fluorescent orange. But yeah, that coil is crunchy. So we do need one coil. We do need 2 flipper kits. I don't know what else. But I did test these banks and they seem to be working good. Who knows how they are working actually. But otherwise, yeah. So we do need a coil. Yep, that spring is definitely shot. That gets new ones anyways with the rebuild. Reman, refurbish. That comes with the refurbish anyways. You will be needing flipper switches. That is burnt out. So is that one. You will be needing 2 flipper switches, 2 flipper rebuild kits, and at least 1 coil. And we will be getting a new power cord on here too. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, definitely. Does this thing focus? Yeah. You had a cord somebody replaced. Because here's the ground. They replaced it. I'm guessing the cord was replaced from whoever routed it when they sold it. You probably took the original cord off and threw a appliance cord on it, like a lamp cord, just so it's more house friendly. But we will be replacing that with the proper grounded cord too. And then all the bulbs and everything. But otherwise, yeah, it isn't in bad shape. Yeah, like I said, she is dirty. She is very dirty. This light makes it actually look really clean. But as you can see, come on. There we go. So you can see she is filthy. We will go through that and clean it up.